Welcome to India, a country of 130 billion dreams, a business destination of the 21st century, and a land of opportunities. The sixth largest economy driven by innovation and technology. Today, India is the world's third largest energy consuming country, thanks to rising incomes and improving standards of living. Energy use has doubled since 2000, with 80% of demand still being met by coal, oil and biomass. Fulfilling the ever-growing energy demand, the Government of India has taken several steps to support all stakeholders to make India energy secure and boost investment to achieve an efficient, sustainable and clean energy system. These steps have seen India jump 79 positions, from 142nd in 2014 to 63rd in 2019 in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Ranking 2020. Goods and Services Tax, that is GST, the biggest tax reform since independence, paves way for a common national market by integrating various indirect taxes. The Hydrocarbons Vision 2025 lays down the framework which would guide the policies relating to the hydrocarbon sector for the next 25 years. India aims to reduce oil and gas imports dependence by 10% by 2022. The gap between the supply and availability of crude oil, petroleum products and gas from indigenous sources is likely to increase over the years. The growing demand and supply gap has seen increasing emphasis on the exploration and production sector. 48% of country's sedimentary area is yet to be explored. India aims to increase share of natural gas in the energy mix from 6% to 15% by 2030. Since its inception in 1956, ONGC has successfully put 7 out of 8 sedimentary basins in the country to production, covering 83% of established oil and gas reserves. It contributes to 76.7% to Indian domestic production. Today, ONGC is an integrated energy company operating along the hydrocarbon value chain. Spanning the length and breadth of the country, ONGC's major source of production is Western Offshore. The Energy Maharatna is one of the highest profit-making companies in the country. According to ONGC's Energy Strategy 2040, the company plans to double oil and gas output from its domestic and overseas fields. ONGC has aggressively invested upstream with an E&P expenditure of about 1,50,000 crores in the last 5 years. 15 major projects are under execution, envisaging a life cycle gain of 112 MMTOE. E&P is technology intensive. ONGC adopts state-of-the-art technology in its core areas of E&P, from seismic service to drilling, production and maintenance. ONGC currently has 6 jack-up rigs and 2 floaters of its own, while it regularly has about 23 to 25 charter-hired jack-ups and 3 to 5 charter-hired floaters in operations. The company seeks to charter-hire offshore rigs with latest technology for efficient operation and safety. These rigs will help in increasing offshore drilling capacity and fulfill the energy needs of a vibrant country. ONGC floats global tenders every year for hiring of offshore rigs that is published on online portals like tenders.ongc.co.in and etender.ongc.co.in. ONGC cordially invites all international drilling contractors to be part of our growth saga and participate in our upcoming tenders.